Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again I am here, your maths teacher, for teaching you something new in maths. Okay? So today the topic that we are doing is the smallest number, and that topic is given in your book also. So first of all of you take out your books and notebooks from your bag. So take out your maths book and maths notebook and open page number 51 in book. You have to open page number 51. The questions that we are doing today is given on page number 51. So open page number 51 and the topic is smallest number. What is the topic? So I hope now all of you have opened your notebook. So the first thing that we are writing in our notebook, so take out new page, new topic, new day, always start from a new page. So take out new page and write today's date, whatever the date is today, you have to write here today's date. And then on the top of your notebook, what you have to write? Today's topic, and our today's topic is smallest number. SMALLEST. Smallest number. NUMBER. And inside the bracket, you have to write 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Smallest number 1 to 100. So many questions are given. So we will solve some question now, and I will give you the remaining question you as homework. Okay, so you know what is the smallest number? Smallest means सबसे छोटा. Smallest means सबसे छोटा. So you have to identify the smallest number from the given numbers, and that you have to write as answer. So some flowers are there. Okay, see, all of you have book. See, so some numbers are written on the petals of the flower. Petals means pattiya. Okay, so some numbers are written on these 4 petals of the flower, and what you have to do, you have to identify the smallest number. You have to identify the smallest number. आपको उसमें से सबसे छोटा नंबर आइडेंटिफाई करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है, and then you have to write that number inside the middle corner, the middle circle. Okay, you have to write the smallest number in this circle that is given in the middle. Okay, so we will draw flowers also. Okay, so first of all, write the equation. Okay, write the equation. I hope all of you have written this heading. You write this heading also. Smallest number 1 to 100. Smallest number 1 to 100. Now write the question. What is the question? Write the smallest number in the center of each flower. Write the WRITE. Write the smallest number. Smallest, SMALLEST. Write the smallest number, NUMBER, number. Write the smallest number in the center. CENTRE. Center. You know what is the meaning of center? बीच में. Center of each flower. 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 Once again, I am reading the question for you. Write the smallest number. Write the smallest number in the center of each flower. In the center of each flower. Then put here full stop. This is the question. Copy the question fast. Write the smallest number in the center of each flower. This is the question. Now the first part. A. So draw one flower. First of all, draw one circle. Draw one circle and then make 4 petals of a flower. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now write the numbers. What are the numbers given? 1, 8, 18, 4, 5, 45, 2, 6, 26 and last is 2, 3, 23. First you copy the question. Copy this question. If you want to color the flower, you color your flower also, but afterwards, after writing all the questions, and use light colors so that your number should be visible to you, that whatever number you have written, it should be clear to you that what you have written. Don't use dark colors for coloring the flower. Okay, now I hope all of you have copied this. Now identify the smallest number. First of all, we read all the numbers. So 1, 8, 18, 4, 5, 45, 2, 6, 26 and last number is 2, 3, 23. Now how many numbers are there? There are 4 numbers. And among these 4 numbers, you have to identify the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 18, 45, 26 and 23. The smallest number is 18. Very good. So, the smallest number, that is 18, write inside the circle. In the center of the circle, you have to write the smallest number. Okay. Now, second question. B. Again draw one flower. Again draw one circle. Then make 4 petals of a flower. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And make a flower little bigger so that you can write the number clearly. Okay. B. And the number that are written 100, 100, 36, 36, 25, 25 and 92, 92. First of all, you copy the question. You also write 2 questions on a same part. A this side and B this side. You also write in this way. Okay. You also write in this way. A you write this side and B you write this side. Okay. Copy the question fast. Solve this question. So first of all, read the numbers. Read all the 4 numbers that are written. 3, 6, 36, 2, 5, 25, 9, 2, 92 and 100, 100. 36, 25, 92 and 100. Okay. So identify the smallest number. The smallest number is 2525. The smallest number is 2525. So write smallest number in the circle. Copy this. Third question, C. You write this question C just after question A. Okay, below it. Again draw one circle. Then make 4 petals. 2, 3 and 4. Then make 2 leaves. And divide this in 2 parts. Now write the numbers. 4, 3, 43. 9, 7, 97. 8, 1, 81. And the last number is 84, 83. First of all, you copy the question. Copy the question first. Now let us solve this question. First of all, read all the 4 numbers. The numbers are 4, 3, 43, 9, 7, 97, 8, 1, 81 and 8, 4, 84. What are the numbers? 43, 97, 81 and 84. Now identify the smallest number. The smallest number is 4, 3, 43. So write here 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. Copy it fast and copy it correctly from the board and write in good handwriting. Don't use your eraser again and again. Copy correctly in first time. Okay. Now the next question, D. I am writing again this side, D. So first of all write all the numbers. 82, 95, 97 and 20. First you note down the question. Now let us solve it. First of all, read all the numbers. So 2, 3, 23, 8, 2, 82, 9, 5, 95 and 9, 7, 97. What are the numbers? 23, 82, 95 and 97. These are the 4 numbers. Now identify the smallest number. The smallest number is 2, 3, 23. So write 23 here inside the circle. Write 23, the smallest number inside the circle. Copy it fast. Then I will rub all the board and again start writing question E so that you will not get confused. So till D you write fast. Now I hope you all have copied. You all have completed till question D. So now I am rubbing the board. Now the next question is E. So again make one circle, then the petals of a flower, 4 petals, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now write the numbers. 95, sorry 36, 26, 23 and 25. So first you copy the question. First you copy it in your class of copy, in your notebook. Now read the numbers. What are the numbers? Numbers are 36, 26, 26, 23, 23 and 25, 25. 36, 26, 23 and 25. So the smallest number is among the 3 numbers, among the 4 numbers, the smallest number is 23. So write here 23. 23. Copy the answer from the board. Now the next question, F. Again draw flower, circle, then write the numbers. 95, 38, 29 and 35. Now identify the smallest number. Identify the smallest number. First of all, read all the numbers. 95, 95, 38, 38, 29, 29 and 35, 35. 95, 38, 29 and 35. Now find out the smallest number. The smallest number is 29, 29. So write 29, 29 this side. Now so many questions are given in your book. I think it is 16 questions. So just now we will do only 8 questions. And the remaining 8 question will be homework for you. Okay. So you write the remaining question in your notebook as homework. Okay. So 6 questions already we have done. Now the 7th question. G. Again draw a flower. 1. Draw a circle. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 petals. Then write the numbers. 98, 45, 93 and 91. G and H question you do yourself just now. I will write the question on the board and you identify the smaller number and write in the center of a circle. Okay. This question, these 2 questions you do yourself. G and H. And the numbers that are given are 27, 17, 55 and 9. Now these two questions you solve just now. Try to solve these two questions and then I will write the answer and you check whether you have written it right or wrong. Okay, now check your answers. First of all, let us solve question G and read the numbers 98, 45, 93 and 91 and the smallest number is 4, 5, 45. I hope you all have written it correct. Now the last question H. The numbers are 27, 17, 55 and 90. 27, 17, 55 and 90 and the smallest number is 70. All have right correctly. Correct answers. You have written correct answers. Very good. So now the remaining questions. The remaining 8 questions. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 question just now we have done and these remaining 8 questions is homework for you. Okay. These 8 flowers that are drawn will be homework for you. Okay. So you do these questions in your notebook just after this. Okay. We have done till H. So after H you write homework and then write I and do it. Okay. So 8 questions will be homework for you. Remaining 8 questions. In the same way, you draw the flower, make 4 petals, write 4 numbers inside the petals and write the correct answer, the smallest number in the center of a circle. And if you want to color the flowers, you can color the flowers also, but use light color to coloring the flowers. Okay, so that whatever number you are writing should be clearly visible to you. Okay, so we will do the next topic, that is larger number, in our next lecture. Till then, good day, have a nice day.